what inspired you to do it? What did you tell these app guys? Were they people you knew? Like, how does this work?
Yeah, I guess coming from the robotics side, it's a bunch of scrappy engineers figuring out how to do stuff, and nobody likes to hear that it can't be done.
Mm-hmm.
So that I kind of brought some of that mentality to the company. I'm sure if we were a more traditional installation company, developing an app would be the last thing anybody would want to do. And even my partner, who's done a ton of construction projects, said that building an app was the hardest thing he's ever done. And because with construction or demolition, when you're done, you're done.
Yeah, that's right.
You step away and you admire your work. But with an app, things are changing and there's always problems. But we got lucky. We actually we found a great developer when I was down in Florida still, and he's actually now a partner in one of our other businesses. So him and his team have done good work for us. And that is probably the hard part, finding some good talent. But once you have it, you can do whatever you want.